Hi, welcome to Fox ERP tutorials. In this video, we will learn how to manage projects. Project is a well-defined objective to be achieved in a limited period. In Fox ERP, you can create and manage projects and assign associated tasks. Let's create a new project. Enter the project name. Enter the expected end date. You can add more details to this project, like project type. Create a task for this project which can be assigned to the individuals. Enter task title. Add the next task in the new row. Let's save this project. For each task added to the projects, separate taskmaster is created. You can assign or share each task with your colleagues in the project. You can select customer and sales order details to give access to this project to your customers via the customer portal. Select your customer's user ID in this table. Once a project is created, it can be selected in the sales and purchase transactions. This will help in tracking project, costing and profitability. The total cost amount will be updated based on the timesheet for this project. To learn more, check the help video on task in timesheet. Hope you found this video tutorial useful. Thanks for watching.